1966 to 75. So it's approximately how many years means 10 years, 10 11 years. Each period is easy to remember you. Each period is 9 10 years. In the third generation, it is previously what you use transistor is replaced by integrated circuit. We will shortly tell us IC, combination of transistor and other components. Okay, and it is used as you heard about semiconductors likewise. So that material also they use silica likewise they started to use. That is made in the form of that's what silica level delta as crystal. So usually silica will be better for semiconductors are better for storing purposes. So in the computer components making it will be usable very much. This generation and even they can heat conduction also there. This generation use magnetic tape disk for secondary storage. Understand? For secondary storage nowadays you are using pen drive likewise they use magnetic disk and tape for storing and then recollection purpose. See, so this is called as third generation language. Most probably you may saw this somewhere in old offices or old things means you can see like this one. So as compared to previous one, this is portable, reliable, less costly. What is that? Material use means silicon chips. You saw about chips and all smaller sizes. So many pins will be there. And then cores, IC means integrated circuit. And here they use 1,28,000 bits. So here it started gigabyte. Then keyboard here instead of entry is not by some other way keyboard entry. So it is very flexible as compared to the previous one. And what language they use for programming purpose, this is very important. So from that time only your basic Fortran, C++, everything started. So next is now you will study C++, that is which generation language you should know. It's a third generation language, that is a fundamental. So now they started in one lab, they started one languages. Okay, introduce third generation, that is instead of symbol and numbers they started a set of instructions. You know in C++, printf, scanf, c in, c out. Likewise if you want to study means you have to study the language. If you want to use means previously and all just a command, but this is full of instruction and it should be proper way also. It should be the see should include this. If you are changing little bit also it will not work. Okay, each had syntax, you have to follow the syntax. Understand? Third generation known as that's what it is. From previously machine language we saw binary language, machine language, assembly language. Now it started high level languages. This high level language means only we understand but the system cannot understand. You have to convert high level to low level or machine level, then only system will understand. So what are all the languages means C, Java, JavaScript, everything came on that time itself. And what is the advantages means they are very small, you saw that, and the heat will be very less. Computers able to reduce time also, it's taking very nanoseconds. Within a second means it will calculate 1,000 calculations. Maintenance low. See how many advantages is there. Portable, less power, human labor is very reduced. Commercial product, I can buy production, I can make more and I can sell also. And what is the disadvantage? See less disadvantage. It's required less air conditioning only. Okay, highly nowadays even in our lab some labs are in AC, no some labs are no AC also. Highly sophisticated technology required for manufacturing of ICs. So most technologically is needed in this one. Because of this very less this one. Next we will see that fourth generation. Fourth generation is 76 to 85. Here IC means integrated circuit. It's replaced with microprocessor. Otherwise we will tell MUP. MUP where the microprocessor has been in your calculator or home appliances. They will use a microprocessor. Microprocessor consisting of central. So here proper arrangement came. CPU in a single chip. And here speed is very fast. Reduction of cost and this thing, power at a small place allowed everyday use of Denifed. So it's very compact, it started coming. So see here it's very one portable likewise. Anytime you can take, you can keep anything. Input CPU, out input device, monitor and see so many input devices, output devices likewise. Very compact, looking also nice. What material they are using means they use, that's what hereafter microprocessor with the different version came. IC LSC means large scale integrated circuit. How much data size, this is data size, or how much capability memory size, you can tell 100 million bits, so many, even more gigabits terabits came. Read programs off disk. Okay, so next we are coming that fourth generation language, more advanced. So syntax used in this is very close to human language. So hereafter on the language coming means it's very user friendly to us. We itself can write in our own language, converted into different machine understandable language. Likewise, improvement from previous fourth GL. 4GL languages are typically used to access databases, include SQL, Cold Fusion, among others. SQL means structured query language. Cold Fusion you are using, for Java we will use it. So one purposes. So here advanced it came. There itself started networking for different languages came. What is advantages means very small in size and heat, no heat, so no air condition, very faster than previous. Hardware failure negligible. Nowadays if you are seeing daily use mean daily, it will not show the hardware failure, rarely. Easily anywhere you can take, cheapest also. What is disadvantages mainly mean highly sophisticated technology required for the manufacturers of LIC chips. LIC chips means, so here very highly technological only they are using. Okay, very high technology started. So if I want to develop the particular language means one particular language is needed to develop this language. Likewise. So next we are coming for more advanced, that is fifth generation. So we are in 5G, fifth generation. Okay, you people are and me, we people also in now fifth generation only. So fifth generation they use very advanced one, very fast one. VLSI means very large integrated circuit, and then you ultra large scale VLSI, ULSI very advanced also, and they started using faster computers, come to known as robots. So you know about robots and all. They are human likewise, even sometimes more better than us human being. So it's what they are using in the nowadays means AI, artificial intelligence they are using. Idea of fifth generation is by Japan's Ministry of International Trade and Industry. So for the trading purpose, even e-commerce, all these things they started on this time only. They started businesses, commercial, everything started on this time. See, likewise only. Your tab, you are seeing iPad, everything coming on this time. Still anything coming also, it will coming under 5G, fifth generation only. What is a language means? You can't tell counted. It's a wide, what is it? Uncountable languages came, uncountable operating system came, uncountable so many things, protocol, everything started coming here. Variety of diversion came. Variety of users came. Even now also see developing. Still they are developing. So fifth generation they currently use for neural networks. This neural network means as like our brain language. It is a form of AI that attempts to imitate how the human mind works. So our brain, what function it is doing, same thing we are making other one machine to think like us or more advanced than us. Without our present also, it has to work. It has to think. That is called as artificial intelligence. Okay, what is advantage means? This is advantage, nothing to tell because it's going beyond us. More reliable, faster, very faster, and easily portable, and different sizes, affordable, different varieties, different speed, high processing speed than us. They are very speeder. Capabilities of parallel processing, multi-processing, multitasking, multi-programming, everything started here. And another one makes me is wireless. That is a very important. Okay, now we are doing mobile and all wireless communication. So many it came, so many, and in practical life in every house without 5GL no house is there. Such a way it started working. Without computer human life is not there. Likewise fifth generation started. What is our disadvantage mean? Nothing disadvantage. Instead of they are overtaking us, that is a disadvantages I can tell. So in next few years they will overtake us, they will make us to do the work likewise. Okay, Now see, mean this is a vacuum tube. The glass tube with one anode, plate, anode, cathode likewise. So filament started, means electron started going reach there, it will full of glowing likewise. If you want to see the transistor means it's like this one. One base will be there, one emitter. See here, this is a Bain diagram of base. The base will come here, one emitter, one collector will be there. So this is simple, only this much logic they converted into this one. So it will not occupy 1 centimeter also. And this is an integrated circuit means you see IC. So this is as like when you are opening the processor means it will be like this. Okay, so it will be like this. In your system, you are opening inside the board, motherboard you are seeing so many, it will be like this. All are called integrated circuits. If you want, you can extendable also possible. Where VLSI, everything is as like this one. See, so many this connection, one data likewise it will come here and process. Okay students, up to this I am finishing. After finishing this I will make one Gmeet. I will call you people. Thank you.